Your job is at risk and the elites don't want you to know why. See, AI is taking over faster than anyone expected, and while most people are scared of losing their income, the richest people in the world are quietly using this same AI to get even richer. This is the new gold rush, the new electricity, and the future of money. Now the question is, will AI replace you, or will you learn how to use it to make millions, future-proof your income, and cash in on the greatest opportunity of this decade? Let me show you the AI secret they don't want you to know. Hey friend, welcome. Today, we're about to go on a journey, a long one, an eye-opening one, and to be honest, it's a life-changing one. We're living in one of the most important times in human history. A time where technology is not just changing our world, but changing our lives, our money, our career, and even our identity. And the truth is simple, AI is not coming, it is already here. And the people who learn how to use it will dominate the future. And the people who ignore it will be dominated. In this full session, I'm going to break down everything from the basics to the advanced. We'll talk about the usefulness of AI, why you must understand it now, how to make money with it, how to use it properly, and how to build wealth and opportunities even if you're starting from zero. This is not a lecture, this is not a boring tech class. This is a conversation between you and me about the biggest shift humanity has seen since the invention of the internet. So sit back, relax, grab a notebook, and let's talk about the new world we've entered and how to win in it. Come with me, let's tour together one. What exactly is AI? Before we step into the deep ocean, let's start with the shallow end. What exactly is AI? Forget all the complicated definitions. Artificial intelligence is simply a machine that thinks like a human, a tool that learns from information, a system that can perform tasks that we used to think only humans could do. From writing, to designing, to selling, to predicting, to analyzing, to creating, to recommending, and even having real conversations. Now, think about your phone. Think about the apps you use every day. Think about Google Maps, TikTok recommendations, Netflix suggestions, Siri, Alexa, all of these are powered by AI. And now? AI is becoming smarter than ever. It's writing books, it's managing businesses. In fact, if you put some necessary things in order and then leave the rest for AI, AI will make sure you keep earning forever even while you are at sleep. It's automating tasks. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases. It's helping students learn faster. It's helping creators grow faster. It's helping entrepreneurs make money. The world has changed, but now the question is, have you changed with it? Why AI is the most important tool of our era? Let me tell you something powerful. Every generation had something that changed everything. Automation. For our grandparents, it was electricity. For our parents, it was the television. For us, it was the internet. But for this new generation, it's AI. Why? You no longer need 10 employees, 5 years of learning, or massive startup capital now. With AI, one person can do what an entire company used to do. Let me repeat that. One person with AI can do what 10 to 20 people can do without it. Suddenly you can write content fast, analyze markets fast, build business ideas fast, create digital products fast, launch online stores fast, create ads fast, edit videos fast, write scripts fast, build brand identity fast, and also create wealth faster than ever. AI is the greatest productivity boost in human history, and that's why the world is changing. Why you must be acquainted with AI today. Let's get real. If you're not using AI right now, you're already behind. This is not to scare you, but to make sure you understand the urgency. Reason 1, AI is replacing jobs, not in 2030, not in the future. It's right now, and people who know how to use AI already have an advantage over those who don't. Reason 2, AI is becoming a basic skill. Just like email used to be optional but now it's necessary, AI will soon be like that. Reason 3, AI can make you 10x faster. You don't need to struggle for years anymore. AI helps you skip the stress. Reason 4, AI opens doors. If you're broke, AI can help. If you're starting, AI can help. If you're insecure, AI can help. If you're confused, AI can help. And even if you're alone, AI is ready to become your partner. Reason 5. Because AI does something no technology has ever done. It combines speed plus intelligence plus AI levels the playing field. You don't need a big team, you don't need big money, you don't need big education. All you need is a phone and curiosity. This is the era where knowledge beats capital, and AI multiplies whatever knowledge you have. How AI can help you create wealth. Segment 1. Making money with AI as a beginner. Let's talk about money because that's what you really want to know. How does someone with zero experience use AI to make money? Here are several powerful ways. 1. Create content faster for both YouTube, Reels, and TikTok. AI can write your scripts, generate your ideas, create your descriptions, give you hooks, and even suggest viral formats. Suddenly, you can create more content, better content, faster content, and even grow faster. 2. Sell digital products. AI can help you create ebooks, courses, templates, guides, checklists, prompts, Notion systems, editable assets. Those are products that make you money while you sleep. 3. Freelancing with AI. You can use AI to offer writing services, social media management, copywriting, graphic design, website building, chatbot setup, video editing and branding. AI makes you look more professional, even if you're new. 4. Affiliate marketing and AI. AI helps you generate landing pages, create ads, write captions, script videos, analyze audiences, find best-selling products, create persuasive content, and increase conversions. Affiliate marketing plus AI equals money machine. 5. E-commerce and AI automation. AI can research winning products, write product descriptions, create store content, design product images, write customer emails, handle customer support, and build marketing campaigns. AI turns you into a one-person e-commerce empire. 6. AI automation agencies. You can help businesses to improve customer service, automate tasks, build AI chat assistants, manage content, improve sales funnels, manage ads, and analyze data for them, and the owners of those businesses are much ready to pay you huge amounts monthly for doing so. There's this student who used AI to build a $10,000 month content agency. A nursing mother used AI to create ebooks and replaced her 9-5 income. My neighbor who used to create content used AI to create 35 YouTube videos in 35 days. Segment 3. Is wealth building with AI is a long-term wealth building with AI. Compounding skills, compounding content, compounding digital products, building systems, scaling using AI, building personal brand, becoming irreplaceable, using AI to multiply income streams. How to use AI properly. AI is powerful, but like all powerful tools, you must use it properly. 1. Don't copy, instead collaborate. Use AI as your assistant, not your replacement. 2. Always review output. AI can make mistakes. You are the final brain. 3. Add your personality. People follow you, not the robot. 4. Use prompts wisely. AI responds to what you tell it, so make sure your questions are clear. 5. Don't rely too much. AI is a tool, not a foundation. 6. Learn continuously. AI updates every day, so keep growing. Chapter 6. What the future holds. No, we have AI in education, AI in business, AI in healthcare, AI in creativity, AI in personal development, AI in money and economy. Why early adopters win. AI is not magic. It is not a threat. It is not something to fear. AI is an opportunity, the biggest of our lifetime. If you learn to use it, you will rise. If you ignore it, you will struggle. And you and I believe you want to do more and more faster. So if that is the case, then leverage AI now, because the world is shifting. So this is your chance to shift with it. Thank you for spending this time with me. Now go out there and build the future you deserve.